Have you ever wondered what a simple bowl of oatmeal could do for your body if you ate it every day for breakfast? In today's video, we delve into the remarkable health benefits of incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet, revealing that it's much more than just a convenient breakfast choice. While many people enjoy oatmeal for its ease of preparation, they may not realize the extensive advantages it offers for overall health. Oatmeal is packed with essential nutrients and fiber, making it a powerhouse food that can lead to significant transformations in your body. We will highlight 5 miraculous changes that regular oatmeal consumption can bring, including improved heart health, enhanced digestion, better weight management, stabilized blood sugar levels, and increased energy levels throughout the day. These benefits stem from oatmeal's unique composition, which includes beta-glucans that help lower cholesterol and antioxidants that combat inflammation. By emphasizing the importance of oatmeal in your daily meals, we aim to inspire you to make this simple yet powerful food a staple in your diet. Whether you enjoy it as a warm bowl topped with fruits or as an ingredient in smoothies and baked goods, oatmeal can be a versatile addition that supports your health goals. Join us as we explore these incredible benefits and encourage you to embrace oatmeal as a vital part of your nutrition for a healthier lifestyle. Oatmeal plays a significant role in promoting heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease, primarily due to its high fiber content. The soluble fiber found in oatmeal, particularly beta-glucans, is known for its ability to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. By binding to cholesterol in the digestive system, fiber helps to eliminate it from the body, leading to improved cholesterol profiles and a healthier heart. Additionally, oatmeal contributes to stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining overall cardiovascular health. By providing a slow release of energy, it prevents spikes in blood sugar that can lead to insulin resistance and other metabolic issues. Furthermore, oatmeal has been shown to help reduce high blood pressure, another significant risk factor for heart disease. The potassium content in oats aids in regulating blood pressure levels, promoting better heart function. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal not only sets a positive tone for healthy eating, but also provides your body with essential nutrients that support heart health. By making oatmeal a regular part of your breakfast routine, you can take proactive steps toward reducing your risk of heart disease while enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. Embracing oatmeal as a daily habit can lead to lasting benefits for your heart and overall vitality. Oatmeal is an excellent ally in maintaining satiety and reducing the urge to snack throughout the day, largely due to its high fiber content. The indigestibility of fiber means it takes longer to break down in the digestive system, which slows the digestion speed and prolongs feelings of fullness. This extended satiety can help curb unnecessary snacking, making it easier to manage your overall caloric intake. Research from the CDC highlights the crucial role fiber plays in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is essential for preventing the energy crashes that often lead to cravings and unhealthy snacking. By keeping blood sugar levels steady, oatmeal helps you feel satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of reaching for quick, unhealthy snacks. Experts in nutrition emphasize the benefits of incorporating oats into meals, noting that they not only provide essential nutrients but also contribute to a balanced diet. Registered dietitians often recommend oatmeal as a breakfast staple or a versatile ingredient in various dishes, praising its ability to enhance satiety and support weight management. By making oatmeal a regular part of your meals, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits while effectively managing hunger and reducing the temptation to snack between meals. This simple dietary change can lead to improved overall health and energy levels. Oatmeal serves as a powerful prebiotic, playing a crucial role in supporting gut bacteria and overall digestive health. The gut microbiome, which consists of trillions of microorganisms residing in our intestines, is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion, immune response, and even mental health. A balanced gut microbiome contributes to overall wellness, while an imbalance can lead to health issues such as inflammation and digestive disorders. A 2021 systematic review highlighted the positive effects of oat consumption on gut bacteria, revealing that oats can promote the growth of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These bacteria are vital for maintaining gut health, as they help break down food, produce essential nutrients, and protect against harmful pathogens. By incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet, you can effectively nourish your gut microbiome and enhance its diversity. This simple dietary choice not only supports digestive health, but also contributes to improved immune function and overall vitality. We encourage viewers to consider oatmeal as a delicious and nutritious way to foster a healthy gut environment. Whether enjoyed as a warm breakfast or added to smoothies and baked goods, oatmeal can be a versatile addition to your meals, promoting a thriving gut microbiome and supporting your long-term health. Oatmeal can be a valuable ally in weight loss and management, primarily due to its unique composition and high fiber content. One of the key components of oatmeal is beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce blood lipid levels and help manage hyperglycemia. By lowering cholesterol and stabilizing blood sugar levels, beta-glucan contributes to a healthier metabolic profile, which is essential for effective weight management. Additionally, the fiber in oatmeal plays a significant role in curbing overeating. It expands in the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness that can prevent unnecessary snacking and overeating later in the day. This satiety is further enhanced by the hormone peptide YY, which is released in response to fiber intake. Peptide YY signals the brain to reduce appetite, helping individuals feel satisfied after meals. By starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal, you can take advantage of these benefits, making it easier to control your caloric intake and maintain a healthy weight. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet not only supports weight loss efforts, but also provides essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. With its delicious versatility, oatmeal can be a satisfying and effective tool in your journey toward achieving and maintaining your weight management goals. Oatmeal is a fantastic food for maintaining digestive health and promoting regularity, largely due to its high content of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber known for its gel-like properties. When oatmeal is consumed, beta-glucan absorbs water and forms a viscous gel in the digestive tract. This gel slows down digestion, allowing for better nutrient absorption, while also helping to regulate bowel movements. By creating a softer, bulkier stool, oatmeal facilitates easier bathroom visits, reducing the likelihood of constipation and promoting overall digestive comfort. The fiber in oatmeal not only aids in stool formation, but also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, further enhancing digestive health. To maximize the digestive benefits of oatmeal, consider pairing it with other fiber-rich foods such as fruits, nuts, or seeds. For instance, adding berries or sliced bananas can provide additional soluble and insoluble fiber, which works synergistically with oatmeal to improve gut health. This combination not only boosts fiber intake, but also adds flavor and variety to your meals. By adding oatmeal and other fiber sources into your diet, you can support a healthy digestive system, promote regularity, and enjoy the many benefits of a well-functioning gut. Embracing oatmeal as a staple in your diet can lead to lasting improvements in digestive health. In summary, oatmeal is a remarkable food that offers a multitude of health benefits when consumed daily. First and foremost, it acts as a heart protector by lowering bad LDL cholesterol levels and stabilizing blood sugar, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, oatmeal serves as a gut nurturer, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and aiding in digestion through its high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan. This fiber not only supports digestive health, but also helps maintain regularity and prevent constipation. Furthermore, oatmeal is a valuable ally in weight management, as it promotes satiety and reduces the likelihood of overeating, thanks to its ability to keep you feeling full longer. By incorporating oatmeal into your daily diet, you can harness these incredible health benefits and support your overall well-being. We encourage you to experiment with different oatmeal recipes and find creative ways to enjoy this nutritious food. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing your own experiences with oatmeal in the comments below. Your feedback and stories can inspire others to embrace oatmeal as a staple in their diets, leading to healthier lifestyles for everyone. Thank you so very much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye for now.